friends, today I am going to tell you about a day that is 25th July 2020 in India, particularly in Nashik city and in countryside during corona pandemic. So let's start. Colony Road looked like a barren place. When I looked around, I hardly could see anybody outside because of fear of infection by coronavirus. On roads, very few vehicles were running to provide necessary services to the citizens with proper precautions as per guidelines by the government authority. Everyone was frightened to save themselves. All kinds of works were standstill. All of a sudden, life was changed and became barren, full with fear in mind about future. After all, life is unpredicted, as it is not possible to predict what would happen the next moment. Cattle and other animals were moving here and there without any fear. Birds also seen flying with full enthusiasm. Grass and trees were showing their shining, probably telling us that man thinks himself an intelligent, but today he himself became prey and caught him in the net woven by himself to catch other prey. Same roads are the lifeline of the cities, but today it is without human, as human beings was locked down in their house with all members of the family and forced to use mask and sanitizer. But one thing was inspiring me, that nature was afresh providing necessary things to all the animals as well as human beings. All seasons are going on without any disturbance. But life of mankind was disturbed. Really, it was introspective time for all of us. Nobody is seen outside their houses. Construction work also stopped. I remember these roads full with crowd before. This could be the situation seen during our time. Probably this may be the modern war fought with unknown virus, which cannot be seen by naked eyes. But the situation cannot be denied, that human being is suffering by its impact. So it's very pathetic situation everywhere. All shops were closed and vendors were not allowed to sell their items here and there. It was very difficult to earn bread and butter for the common man. Government authorities tried to take necessary steps to control this pandemic situation. It was eye-opening scene for me. I saw sparrows were enjoying their lifestyle without any fear. When humans were locked down, at the same time, sparrows were bathing in the water in the parking area. It shows that nature is unstoppable. Nature or God might have taught the lesson to man who think him to be modern. Industrialization or globalization disturb the ecology with cutting jungles and increasing pollution across the globe. Look at the sparrows. They don't have any tension or fear in their mind. Otherwise, they would have seen in their nest only. Really, it's eye-opening scene for the world. At least in future, we should learn lesson by these birds, that man should behave humanly with each other. Enmity as well as war should be eradicated or banned in order to live happily and peacefully. So it's really time to think how only mankind is sufferer during this pandemic, that is a corona pandemic. By this pandemic, the entire world is suffering since few months. When I visited to the countryside, I couldn't see anybody outside their home or on the road. Only animals were grazing without any fear. You can see barren roads only devoid of mankind, but nature was at its best. Greenery with fresh air was inspiring me for bright life in future. Since this pandemic was started, very few vehicles and industries are emitting poisonous gases in the atmosphere. Means pollution is under control. That's why nature might have breathing freely. Very fresh, clean and inspiring atmosphere is there. We can see green crops with a showing bright future, but man should control unnecessary greed, desire or his want. Here we can see crop is blooming with happiness. Entire field is green and full with inspiration. Fresh clouds filled with water droplets showing that it will be raining soon. Let the human do wrongs, but nature would have its healing effect. Only man will be sufferer in the world. Let them manufacture weapons and fought wars, killed themselves for want of nothing. As we know, war destroys everything. Then why do we fight for the sake of nothing? If life is there, then only it's useful. Otherwise, to have any empire or wealth is useless. You can see trees are dancing with enjoyment. They don't have any fear in their mind. Really, nature is the beautiful. Look at the beautiful cloud seen in the water reservoir, which is used for crops when there is lack of water during summer or drought situation. It's monsoon season now and time to work in the field to get good crop, but man is unable to work freely. Look at the bright and fresh cloud. Really, it's a beautiful scene, beautiful field attracting us and saying that don't worry, this time will go and there will be usual and happy life for human being also. For the time being, we should enjoy the beauty of nature. Only nature is there for our support. I assume when all war weapons will be destroyed, then and then only there will be peaceful life on the earth. But nobody is thinking about it till sparrows are seen enjoying their life. Yes, really, it's my dream to live in peaceful world. Then heavy rain started, rainwater was seen everywhere across the field. Up to the horizon, water was pouring life to the crops as well as animals. We can say it's a natural watering process necessary for good crops during the rainy season. In the rainy, trees are dancing on the rhythm of the earth. You can hear music by nature. It's healing music for us, isn't it? At the same time, temples were closed. We know these worship places are creation by man, and the tragedy is that today human beings are not allowed to enter into temples to avoid infection by coronavirus. What can be said now? When it's a really pathetic situation, eye-opening situation. Friends, when I returned to back my residence, I was listening to news sitting in my hall. Suddenly, I listened unbearable sound of chirping by sparrows. When I saw two sparrows were chirping, making unbearable noise, it was a panic noise. I looked around. I learned that during summer, children kept water for sparrows, and one box was hanged as a nest for the sparrows. In that box, sparrows built their nest, laid eggs, and hatched it. Whenever someone enters or comes near their nest, they start chirping in order to save their newborn babies. So I can say that nature is beautiful, great. We shouldn't interfere into matters of nature. Birds are capable to build their nest themselves. Only we shouldn't do to be harmful to them. We should try to control pollution and subsequently maintain ecology. Poor atmosphere is necessary for us to breathe and for our generations to come. Actually, we should try to be good human being first. It's demand by the time for bright future of entire mankind. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.